birthday card story. Okay? Okay, first sentence.
It is Minnie's mother's birthday.
Pasabutan na kanang birthday sa mama ni Minis. Next.
Minnie makes a card for her.
Si Nini nagbuhat og card for sa iyang mama. Good.
She folds red paper.
Iyang gifolds iyang gipilok ang red paper.
Her papa gives her a pencil.
Yung papa ni Nini gitagaan siya og lapis.
She draws a flower on it.
Drawing siya og kanang flower. Next.
The flower is not nice.
Yang gibuhat nga flower dili nindot.
She rubs it with an eraser.
Yang gi-erase with kanang yang pati kaya ang flower ni mo panahon nang gi-erase niya.
She draws it again.
Hindi mo siya glain nga flower.
The new flower is very pretty.
Bagong nga gihimo niya nga flower,
Grandma gives her a crayon.
iyahang lula niya gitagaan siya og Crayola.
She colors the flower.
Iyahang gikoloran ang flower yang gihimo.
Grandma helps Minnie to write happy birthday on the card.
Gitabangon siya sa iyang lolo para ay kanang suwat og happy birthday sa card.
Minnie gives the card to her mother.
Si Mimi gihatag niya sa iyang mama.
Her mother hugs her.
Iyahang mama kay ni hug niya. Ilan to? Go.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone, good evening. So I just bought my school supply, study room school supply for the children. I have notebooks, markers, ball pens, and I also bought a short story for my special students. It is useful for beginners. This is short stories, music and party. This all is 60 pieces, and it has cost 300 plus. I am going to practice the readings so that I bought this one. Kamsahamnida, Mactan Korea channel. Bye for now. Hi! Hi! Hello! So, kasi nakita niyo sa tubangan ninyo? Snacks! Happy na sa inyong eyes, no? Oh, nag-twinkle-twinkle na sa inyong eyes, nagtanaw sa snacks, no? Diba? Tinood, dili? Okay, so we have still remaining snacks from yesterday's Kitana's birthday. So, I will distribute it now. Kay para happy na sad ang inyuhang tummy, di ba? Okay. Get one and pass. Okay, isa lang sa. Sige. Di mag-ilog. Get one and pass. Datag ni Teacher Mildred, datag. Wait sa. say ito, isulti Kitana. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kitana. Okay, where's Kitana? Wala pa. Oh, nara diyan. Happy na inyong kuan mo. Kaunasad mo sa. Okay, bye for now. Kaunasan ninyo.